Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys an app that you should probably go and download right now that's free and available in the App Store and Play Store. And that app is called Canada COVID-19. So the Canadian government released an app yesterday on the Play Store and on the App Store in partnership with Thrive Health, a Vancouver company. And like I said, the app is free to download and it is a perfect place to go and just learn more about COVID-19 and what you should do. And it just gives you information for you to keep yourself safe, healthy, and of course, keep your family and friends safe as well. So when you open the app, of course, all you have to enter pretty much to use the app is the language you are using, the language you want to read it in, and the province or territory you're currently living in. And then from there, this is how it looks pretty much the app. It's really simple, easy to use. So the first thing, of course, you have here is the COVID-19 self-check. So like that, you don't have to waste your time and of course use up resources. You could do you could do a check-in on your phone, and so it will of course ask you for your postal code when you're doing the check-in, I think, and that's pretty much it. And then everything is anonymous, is what they're saying, and that they will only use the information, of course, to help to try to defeat this virus and everything, of course. So yeah, you could do your self check right here on the app. And then of course, like I said, it has some cool information here of what you could do if you're sick, of course, in really simple form. So you can see what you could do when you're sick. You could do, of course, prevention, of course, so like wash your hands, or how to do social distancing as well. And yeah, in of course, it has some really important information right here. So yeah, it's a really, like I said, it's a simple app that you could go and use, and it's free to download. I highly recommend it, of course, to go and download it if you want to keep up with the information that they're giving you. Of course, there's also the stats area here as well, so you can see the stats of how much like the COVID-19 is infecting Canada and everything, and how many um, and yeah, and just how many stats you can see right here as well. And it's just really, really great as well right here. And of course, you have your updates area. So right here, of course, you get to see your updates, what the Canadian government is doing. So you'll get everyday updates of it from, you can read it right here. So you don't have to wait for it in the news or anything like that. You can just get it directly from the app right here. And you can go and read about it right there. And of course, you have your resource area. So if you want to know more, of course, your resource here, you could go right there. And then, of course, your self check-in right there that I already showed you guys right there. So yeah, like I said, it's a free app. You could go download a course. You could actually now do a course, uh, receive alerts on if you want to keep up with it, of course. You just have to, of course, have you just have to accept the notifications, of course, on the iPhone, and that's pretty much it. And like I said, the app is free to download in the App Store and Play Store. I will have the links to the App Store and to the Play Store in the description below. And if you guys have any cool apps that you guys want me to check out, please do comment below. But yeah, I think this is a very important app that, like I said, like everybody should go and download right now. Just if you want to keep up to date with everything that's happening here in Canada, and yeah, just to stay safe and help defeat this virus, of course, and do our part, of course, and staying inside and only going out if we really, really need to go out. So yeah, like I said, the app is free to download, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys later. Peace.